Summertime, anytime, is always good to make creamed corn. So come along with me and I'll show you how to make it. Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making creamed corn. It's corn season right now. Everything's plentiful and this is a corn. If you've never seen one, and how you do it, you just shuck that off like that. Just take it all the way off. Then there'll be some little silky strings in there. You take all that off, see, like that. I'm just going to show you. You take all that off, and then you rinse it real good until you get everything off. You can cut it here, cut it there, and it'll be easy to take off. If you want to freeze it, just chop this end off and this end, stick it in a bag, and then put it in the freezer. Then when you get ready to eat it, all you have to do is microwave it, or you just peel that off and it's ready to cook. But that's the way you freeze it, if you're not going to cut it off the cob. So we did that. We've already did that already. We've shucked it. We used this little gadget. It's a corn husker. I think I got it at Ace Hardware a long time ago. And you just take that cob and just run it back and forth like that, and it'll take the kernels off. Or either you can, just stand it up like that and take your knife and cut straight down. Either way. There's a lot of ways to do it. But at the end, you'll come out with this. Isn't that beautiful? It is so sweet. It's kernels. You want to get that juice too that's in there. So we've got our bowl of corn, and we're going to get ready to cook it. So I'm going to heat my skillet up. I'm going to make a small roux with butter. That's about four or five things of butter. Corn is so good during the summer. It's fresh, and especially if you put it up, you can can it, freeze it, and either way, it's going to be good this winter. So I got about 3 tablespoons of flour and 1.5 cups of milk. We're going to melt this butter. I know growing up every summer, my daddy would go to the farmer's market and he would bring back a pickup truck load, bushels of corn, peas, okra, you name it, he picked it out. And me and my sisters would have to, shuck it, peel it. My fingers would be solid blue doing them purple hull peas. And we couldn't go nowhere or do nothing until after the vegetables were put up. So that's the way it was. You had to get ready for winter if you're feeding a family, that's for sure. But this was one of my favorites, creamed corn. Okay, my butter's melted. I'm going to sprinkle in this little bit of stuff here. We'll put some salt and pepper, just a little. I need to season it some more, I'll do it after I get the corn in there. You're gonna make a roux. Just do it round, round, round. You don't want to get it brown, you just want it light. I'll pour my milk in, a little bit at a time. Okay. I'm going to slush that around. As it cooks, it's going to thicken. You're going to get it to come to a boil. It don't take long for it to thicken. Then we're going to pour in the corn. Get all that corn in there. You don't want to waste none. I'm gonna mix it all in there. Look how creamy it is. We're gonna add a little bit more milk. This is 2/3. We'll take a taste of it. Need some more salt. More pepper. Just let it simmer just for a little bit and cut it down, simmer. Put the lid on it. And that's all there is to cream corn. Now, if you don't have fresh cream corn, you can use canned corn. Just drain it of all that water and put it in there like you would fresh corn. Or you can get that package of frozen. You could use that and put, butter and a little bit of milk in it. This is the best. If you can get that fresh corn, it is delicious. Some people put sugar in there, but no, I ain't gonna put no sugar in there because it's as sweet as honey. So you don't need no sugar in it. And plus I'm a diabetic, so I don't need sugar. But you just let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes and it'll be ready to eat. So I hope you try it. It's delicious. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless. I had a curdle in my mouth.